Aslamu alaikum, Aisha.
Wa alaikum assalam, Ahmed.
How is your Ramadan going?
Alhamdulillah, my Ramadan is going well. How about yours?
Alhamdulillah, I am trying my best to fast and pray regularly.
That's great. Ramadan is a beautiful month to get closer to Allah.
Yes, I also love the time of iftar with my family.
Me too. My mother prepares delicious food for iftar every day.
Do you also pray Taraweeh at the mosque?
Sometimes at the mosque, but mostly I pray Taraweeh at home.
Ramadan really teaches us patience and kindness.
Yes, and we should try to continue these good habits even after Ramadan.
If you enjoy learning English through stories, subscribe to Learn English with Arshad Khan. See you in the next story. Thank you.